Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming the fixture is dead with a non-contact tester. This prevents shocks. Once the power is off, set a stable ladder and put on gloves and safety glasses so you can grip the cover without scratching glass. Make sure the screwdriver, cloth, and a bucket are within reach. Having a second person steady the ladder or catch the cover makes the next steps safer and smoother. You now expose how the cover is retained. Look for screws, clips, or a twist lock ring and explain which to expect. Once located, support the cover with one hand and use the screwdriver or your fingers to release fasteners slowly, because sudden drops break glass. If springs or compression clips are used, compress evenly and lower the cover straight down to avoid bending clips. Make sure to set the cover on a padded surface immediately so it won't. You finish by removing bulbs and unplugging or loosening any wiring connectors while keeping wires labeled or noting their positions. This prevents reconnection errors. Next, inspect the socket, insulation, and mounting bracket for corrosion, loose screws, or frayed wires so you catch problems early. Once repaired or replaced, reinstall the cover by reversing the removal steps, tighten fasteners snugly, restore power at the breaker, and test the fixture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.